Okay guys, so I want to let you know that right now I'm filming on, I got a new GoPro 9, okay? So I'm out here at the causeway where I go beachcombing. It's been really windy the last few days, so I think there might be some new wood out here. This GoPro thing, I bought a new computer, like a gaming computer. This GoPro, a bunch of mods. So when I take it outside, it's probably going to be windy because I don't have an external mic for this GoPro yet. This GoPro 9 doesn't have external mic input, so I ordered the mod for it. It'll be here in a couple of weeks. But so it's a whole different ball game for me. I gotta upload it. No more. Well, there will still be. I'll still be pumping out the videos, guys. Some cell phone videos. I haven't had that much videos lately because I've just been carving pumpkins, and well, you guys don't want to see pumpkin videos all the time. So I'm gonna take this this GoPro out here and see how it works. I got a few different attachments. I'll use like a selfie stick, and then I'll have it filming so you can see the wood. I don't know if you're going to get that wind noise in the mic, so if I'm going to have to take it home, upload it to the computer, edit it, and do a voiceover. And I got to hook up a mic to my computer, so it's a whole new ball game for me. So, and you know, guys, like I'd probably spend about $2,500. It's something that I've wanted to do. I think it's time to upgrade the videos and make better videos. So, but if I'm having a pain in the ass time with this GoPro stuff, I don't know, I'll keep using my cell phone. I just don't care. Do you care? I don't care. Do you care? They don't care. So whatever, let's just see how this goes, I guess. Okay. It's a little bit windy out here today. Let's try that stabilizer thing. Okay, so I'm crossing the road now. How'd the chicken get to the other side? I don't know. Okay. This thing filming? So it's a high tide right now. So hopefully I'm gonna walk up a bit more here and try and find some a piece of wood. George, one of the big time subscribers, that he's a big help on the Carving Fusion World of Wood Carvers page on Facebook. He's an admin, and he wants me to carve him a wood spirit. So what I'm going to do is try and find a nice piece of old Western red cedar. This is the part I don't like, walking down these rocks, but yeah, well, look at all the new fresh wood that does come up from the storm. Well, not storm, just all the wind. Stop filming. Okay, there we go. Okay. I bought one of those packages things for my off Amazon. Tennis ball, who needs a tennis ball? So I got a head thing here to film, put the GoPro on my head so I can, I don't know, friggin' do something. So yeah. I'm gonna try it on the headset thing. Actually, I'm gonna keep walking to where I got that wood spirit carving in the log up there. Hi, Bap! Over there in Belfast! I want to see if this stabilizer thing works. No, maybe another setting. Okay, this is a different setting. Let's try this. Okay, let's try running. Whatever. The wind's calmed down quite a bit, so let's find a nice piece of wood here. I need some better glasses, that's for sure. When I find stuff like this, in you guys' area, you can do the same too. Just throw it up there so you know, like, this doesn't affect the wildlife. Look at all this new wood here. Last time I was down here, I touched it up with my chainsaw bit. I originally just did this with my electric chainsaw, my DeWalt, but last time I had my gas chainsaw, I kind of carved a bit deeper. Each time I got my chainsaw down here, I'll do some adjustments. Sign it. Live your life, guys. Live your life. Okay, so I'm gonna put this head thing on, this headgear on, see how that is. Okay, so I got it hooked up to the headset, and I'm gonna put it on here. Okay guys, like I said, this is a whole new level of filming and stuff for me. You guys, I thought about having, like, I'm gonna be honest, you guys know I'm completely honest. Everything I say, I'm a very loyal, honest person, and there's no lie about that. I thought about having like a fundraiser video to help me pay for this new filming gear, but I'm not like that, and I just don't, it's not who I am. I bought all this stuff from all my hard work, and I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't want to. But if anybody feels like they want to donate, there's a link to my PayPal down below. I had to say that because I know there's a few big supporters. There's a link to my PayPal down below. I don't expect you to, guys. I just felt I needed to say it for you guys, not for me, because I've already paid for it. I've already bought it. Okay? So we'll just leave it at that. So let's go down to the other end here. Oh, it turned out to be a beautiful day. I'm so sick of carving pumpkins, guys. Oh, I think I've carved 35 of them. I'm done with the pumpkins now. I might carve one more special one. Anyways, let me get this camera turned around so you guys can see the wood. This GoPro 9 has a stabler like it's a, what's it called, a gimbal? So let's test it again. Maybe I'm being a little bit too harsh. That's me spinning the camera around. I don't know, whatever. Okay, so that's basically the end of the line for today. There's a nice chunk of cedar. Okay guys, that's it. Get out and enjoy the weather, guys, before winter comes. It's coming. Christmas is gonna be here anytime. What about that one, George? But it's soaking wet. No good. Sorry, guys. I don't know if I have to yell or how good this microphone is, so. Yoo-hoo! Carvable piece of bark, guys, carvable piece of bark. Let's flip it back around the other way. There's a nice piece of cedar. Oh, that's a beautiful piece. Look, it's already got the point on it to do a wood spirit, but it's kind of wet. I can feel it. But I'm going to take this home. Okay, this is filming in standard. Testing, testing. Testing, testing.